Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue where the Microsoft Teams meeting option doesn't appear in Outlook when you try to schedule a meeting. First, close and quit Microsoft Teams and restart it. After that, close Outlook and restart it as well. If the Teams meeting button appears, you're all set. If it doesn't, the Teams add-in might be disabled, so here's how to check it. Open Outlook, go to the File tab, and select Options. In the Outlook Options window, select Add-ins and check whether the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office is listed under Active Application Add-ins. If it's in the Inactive list, go to the Manage dropdown, choose COM Add-ins, and click Go. Select a checkbox for the Teams Meeting add-in, then click OK. If the add-in is in the Disabled Application Add-ins list, go to the Manage dropdown, choose Disabled Items, click Go, select the Teams add-in, and enable it. Click OK, close Outlook, and restart it. You should now see the Teams meeting option when scheduling a meeting in Outlook. On the new Outlook, you just have to toggle on this Teams button. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.